Hey everyone, it's Dylan and Charlie from the Black Forest Wood Company. Charlie's just helping me work on some designs right now. This week we're going to be working on a 6-foot round Buckeye burl dining table with a Lazy Susan. So this is actually going to be the first ever table we've done with a Lazy Susan. We're not going to install it all today, but we're going to show you guys our pouring process, and you'll get to see just some really gorgeous slabs of Buckeye burl. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and Charlie and I got to get back to work.
Check. Microphone check. 1 2 1 2. All right, well, today I'm doing a bunch of flattening. So we got this slab here, and basically we run it back and forth, take about 2 mils off at a time, just until it's at a spot where we can run it through our sander to make it nice and smooth after. So we got kind of a cool setup here. So this is our little Xbox controller. Controls as it goes along. It's like a really exciting video game.
Hey Evan, how's it going, man? So this is a very different color than we've done before. This is kind of like a pinkish orange that we've got in here. And we've done kind of a purple for the Lazy Susan that's going to go on top of this piece. They're kind of going to get like a Gulf of Mexico sunset vibe out of this piece. So it's a very different color combination than we've ever done, but they should look pretty cool when they're all put together. Okay, so we have got the dining table portion poured now. It is a very in-your-face color, I will say. It definitely pops out a lot against this Buckeye Burl. But once you guys actually get to see the two together, like once we get the purple Lazy Susan placed on top of this, I think those colors are going to complement each other very, very nicely. So we're just waiting for our Lazy Susan hardware to show up. We'll probably show that maybe in next week's video, how we're going to be installing that stuff. And then we're going to be cutting this round on the CNC and then on to our sanding and finishing. Next week though, I'm just thinking this will probably be in the week following. Next week will actually probably be more on Joe's table because we've got it flattened and we're probably going to be taking it to Jekko for spray finishing. So if that happens, that'll be what you guys are seeing next week. So I guess you'll have to subscribe and just find out what's going to be next week. But I appreciate you guys watching and we'll see you then.